In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up expense tracking on Expensify. So once you are in Expensify over here, usually you just go to this plus icon over here and click on Create Expense. And after that, you can select either manual, scan, or distance over here. And then you want to simply create an expense. So we're going to do for 100 euros over here. Click on Next. We're going to select us over here. And then we're going to do Create the Expense. Now this chat will open up. And as you can see, you can just submit it to someone, categorize it, share it with your accountant, or do nothing for now. Now, this itself actually is already the tracking expense feature. So over here, this expense is automatically going to be tracked inside this chat. Usually there was an option which said just track it, but right now they basically replaced this. And I was able to actually get this information by chatting to this chat support bot over here. I went back and forth with it a bit. And then over here, it now said that the just track it option is old and doesn't appear anymore, because now by creating your expense, you are actually tracking it. So in the new Expensify, which is this one over here, it just centers around chat-based workflows and workspaces, so everything is handled a bit differently, as you are able to see over here. This is kind of a chat-based expense tracking over here. So instead of tracking expenses privately, users now typically add personal expenses to a personal workspace, create a report or label for categorization, or set the report to not submit for reimbursement, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how you now track. So you just have to add it, and essentially you're tracking it over here inside your chat, where you can keep track of everything that you're doing. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.